very interesting since we have longevity at our firm that I've been able to see individuals and companies in good times and bad times. We've been through terrible recessions, of course, the most recent one, the Great Recession, as it was called, as well as good times, the Reagan administration, and even now as the economy has improved. So when it comes to an individual or a company having financial problems, first of all, it is critical to do something as far in advance as possible as you can. So you want to not only nip it in the bud, but also plan for what you can see on the horizon may be coming. That's not an easy thing to do. And one of the things we do here at Resnick Law is not only provide legal advice, but as business attorneys and financial attorneys, we're able to advise people and consult with them to get them through these difficult financial times in their lives. It's a very fulfilling and rewarding area of law because I've been able to work with companies, for example, in Chapter 11 reorganizations. And when you can assist a company and take them from the bottom of the bottom where they're worried about having to lay off all their employees, shut their businesses down, don't know how they're going to feed their own family, and help them through the law, sometimes through a bankruptcy proceeding like a Chapter 11, and then they emerge and they're successful, you can just see the life come back into people's faces. And it's very rewarding for me and our firm to help that company or that individual get back up on their feet again. So planning in advance is critical. We deal with all the major banks in town and even small community banks because most of our clients have some type of banking relationship. If they're a business, of course, they may have a line of credit or some type of term note. And even if they're an individual, they have credit card debts or personal loans, mortgages, second mortgages, home equity loans. So all of these types of financial transactions are very, very critical to understand, analyze, and learn from us how to protect yourself. And we can provide that advice through the many vehicles in the law, whether it be a bankruptcy or, as we've been very proud of, something that we've come up with, we call it solutions without bankruptcy. So there are many solutions outside of court, and we try to keep you out of court because once you get into that type of setting, it's not only very nerve-wracking, but it's very expensive. And if we can avoid a court situation for you, that's what we would try to do. At Resnick Law, we work for you. It's the client who hires a law firm, not the other way around.